Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the sexual reproduction. Okay. So before going the topic, we should know about that. What is sexual reproduction? Sexual reproduction is the process in which new individuals are formed from the two parents. Okay. So the two parents, one parent has the male sex cell and another one parent has the female sex cell. Okay. So the male and female sex cells fuses to form a new individual, that is called as the sexual reproduction. Okay, so the sexual reproduction, the sex will be involved in the sexual reproduction. Okay, already we discussed about the asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction means without involvement of the sex, the organism produces the new individual or offspring. That is called as the asexual reproduction. There is no involvement of the sex, but in the sexual reproduction there will be an involvement of the sex. There will be a sex is involved, both the fusion of male and female gametes. Okay, the new individuals are identical to the parents. Okay, if you are taking that a sexual reproduction, DNA replication is there. Okay, so the DNA replication, during the DNA replication may not be accurate always, and as a result variation occur. You can see that different types of the peoples, the different types of the peoples are in the same family. Okay, so we are called as the humans, and then we are the nomads, and then what is that, we have the different types of the faces. Okay, that is the variation. The variation occur when the variation is occur during the DNA replication. Okay, if the DNA replication it be the accurate, it produces the same kind of the individuals. We can see that some of them are look like in that exactly they are look like in their parents. Okay, in this case the DNA replication is good. Okay, in some unfavorable condition the DNA replication may be not accurate. Okay, as a result variation may be occur. So this variation is a very important for the evolution. So if there is no variation, there will be a no evolution. Okay, so each and every variation that occurs in the DNA copy, we know that DNA copying, that is a DNA replication. Okay, so here we are seeing that different types of the peoples. These different types of the peoples are different in structure and then faces. Okay, but they are comes from the same family. Okay, so there will be a lot of variation inside the family due to the DNA replication. Okay, so this it is a very slower mode of the reproduction. In the asexual reproduction, the offspring or new individuals are formed faster. It is a in the very fast time the new plants are. Example, if you are taking the plant in the vegetative reproduction, if you are cutting the any stem cutting, with the help of that, if you are growing the plant, okay, it can easily grow. Okay, and then it is a very faster mode, asexual reproduction. But if you are taking the sexual reproduction, it is a very slower mode of the reproduction. Okay, so then next one, what are all the advantages of the sexual reproduction? So the advantages of the sexual reproduction is to incorporate the variations in the species, in which turn ensure the survival of the species. As we know that the variation is necessary for the survival of the fittest. Okay, survival of the fittest is the law. Okay, so it is with the help of survival of the fittest and then evolution of the species. If the main advantage is the sexual reproduction. Okay, each individual in a species has its own uniqueness and identity. Okay, each and every individual in the species, if you are taking any species, each and every individual, they has its own uniqueness and then own identity. Okay, and and then it enables the organism to survive under the unfavorable condition. Okay, so if it is any unfavorable conditions, the organism can survive. Okay, so these are all the advantages of the sexual reproduction. Okay, thank you.